Let's start by dragging and dropping the clip into the timeline. And let me zoom out for a bit. And let's say I want my speed ramp effect to begin here. Press Ctrl R for retime controls. And from here, add speed point. And now let's say I want the speed ramp effect to end here. So in here, add another speed point. And now from the first part, change the speed to 75%. And for the main part, for the speed ramp, change the speed to 800%. The faster it will play, the less the playback time will be. And for the third part, change the speed again to 75%. And if you drag this, you'll see the playback speed is changing accordingly. And now right click, this retime curve, and let me zoom in for a bit. And from here, uncheck the retime frame and keep the retime speed checked. Select the curve, select the first point and smooth it out, and select the second point, do the same. And from here, the longer you make the line, the smoother the effect will be. So let me adjust to my liking. And let's see the clip.